Why spiritually awakened people sound so crazy and people say that this person is crazy? So what's happening is the spiritually awakened person, or the person who has experienced the level of consciousness above 600 and somewhere around 800. So the person who have experienced this level of consciousness from 600 to 800, somewhere here, so these people know some stuff and they have seen some stuff inside their head while meditating or something like that, and they are trying to explain that to people which haven't yet experienced that level of consciousness. So they can't find any words, so they just keep talking in a loop which makes no sense. And the reason it makes no sense is because logic and reason, basically sense, is the level of 400, the level 400, and the people around the spiritually awakened person are finding logic. But the thing is, the spiritually awakened person knows that there is stuff that is above logic, and this is the main reason why these people sound crazy, and it sometimes feel like that they are talking in a loop and they're just saying the same thing again and again, which is not making too much sense. And yeah, I've experienced this too. Basically, when I meditate a lot, I understand some stuff about the universe or some stuff, but then I try to explain people, then I'm hearing myself and I'm like, what the hell am I even saying? So I know this happens. So if you really want to know why they sound crazy, is because other people just can't understand what that person is saying. So if someone is saying something that you can't understand, obviously you'll think that he or she is crazy. So if you want to experience what that person is experiencing, basically you have to meditate a lot, and you can read a book called Transcending the Level of Consciousness by David R. Hawkins. So this is it for this video. If you want to ask any questions, you can just ask in the comment sections, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.